So, today, picked up me a new generator. And, this thing out of the way. I'm gonna unbox it here and see what we got. It's tough trying to use a knife with just one hand, you know? Now that crap's off of there. See what we got in this here thing. What we got here. It's my first new generator. See what we got. I'm gonna close this knife up before I cut my hand. Ow! Cut my hand off or something. Let's see. Oh. I'll check that out in a minute. What we got here? Alright. I'm finished cutting this box. Wait. Aha! Yeah, I'm gonna cut it open. Let me finish cutting this open real quick. Alright. Well, the display model had a handle put on this side. Looks like that's probably what those are, and I'm gonna have to put that on. Garbage. Bull butter. That. Let's see. I think it's not a bad looking piece. Now you see, you buy something nice like this, you don't even put the wheels on it for you. You get the wheels out yourself. Put them on. Oh, I was wondering what that was. Crap. Oh, I was like, what in the world? It's going all over the place. This one will go right there. Look at this. It's my suction. And then we have. Didn't give us no gas to put in the thing. What kind of Japanese bull butter is this? Can't even give us no gas. What about this? That's cheap. What cheapness. Just cheating me out of everything. I'm gonna put the wheels on. One goes here, and then one goes here. I'm gonna put the wheels on, and then I'll put the handle on, like so. I'll be right back. So you got the bolts for it, and the wheels. These are these. Wait, yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. These. There's these. And the cans go through. And these right here, like so. So, but look, they need the tools. They figure, oh, we're too sorry to put the shit together for them, so we'll just give them the tools. They can do it themselves. All right, so we got the old handle on right there. Nice. Nice. The old wheels on right there, you know. And we got these little rubber stoppers on the bottom. What do you want to call them? Mount stoppers. Well, I don't know what you want to call them. They gave us these tools. I thought those are mine. They didn't even do anything. They're not for anything. Oh, look, we got this little thing. I'm assuming that's for the oil, cause yeah. Put some oil in this thing here. Put some oil in it. If I can find where it goes. Oh, there it is. Cool. All right. Let me spin this thing around. So I had to run up to the old auto parts store and get me some dope W30. Just because it says it right there. That's the only reason I went and done it. I was going to use just straight 30, but I'm not going to. If it says 10W30, by gosh, I'll just put 10W30 in it. Now, for the most part, if it wasn't brand new, I wouldn't care. But being as brand new, I'll care a little bit more, you know what I'm saying. What, did they just about make it about like that? Alright. Ooh. Chug-a-lug-lug. I'm telling you, I think that it said like half a quart is all it takes. So by gosh, we're almost there already. Not that much. Don't take much oil in these little things. Most times. They're all getting down, boy. Ooh. We gotta be getting close by now. Ooh. Ooh. Nope, not yet. I'm surprised. We're about halfway through now. Well, dang. We ought to be about there by now. Well, I think that's more than 0.62, but you know, it says filled up to the bottom line. Oh shoot, maybe, just maybe, I should check this. Let's see. It pays to think sometimes. Oh, we're getting close. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Getting close. Alright. I lost half a quart of oil right there. Shouldn't take much more now. Then we'll fire it up and check it again. Now here in the backwoods, we like to do things cornbread style. When bed sheets just aren't good anymore, we make greasy old rags out of them. Old greasy old rags. My truck here. I don't want to keep this thing or throw it away. I don't know. I'll let it drain. I'll let it drain in the trailer. Whatever. Doesn't mean that much to me anyway. Let's see here. If there's any old gasoline, greasy gas in it. Nope. Alright, it's got oil. Put a little gas in it, cornbread style. The old, you know, metal can. Be back. Are you even doing it right? If you don't spill it all over the place as soon as you start dumping gas in it? Are you even put gas in it if you didn't spill it all over the place? That's my question. Ooh, smells like gas. Oh, good old petrol. Petrol. Good old petrol. Alright, I think I found some. Oh, a sock. How convenient. Perfect. And all this thing's worse, the gas for the sock. Pop the old gas off. Greasy thing. Let's see here. Alright, we had it 5 minutes. Ain't even got to crank it yet. I've already got gas all over it. Alright. Now, let's see what we can do with her. On. On. Oh, let's see if it gives. Everything else is on. Let's see what gives. Maybe I should choke it. Yeah, let's try that. Greasy old light right here. Never mind. Can't test the light. There's not a bulb in the thing. Oh, broken nose. See anything else I can try? Oh. Let's try this piece of junk out. Man, very nice. Not even that loud. Kind of impressed. You don't need stuff. Well, it seems like a pretty solid unit. We'll put it to the test this weekend once we go to the deer camp and hook it up to the camper. We hunted last year without one, and it was cold. It was real cold. But it's real hot right now, so we can hook it up, get the AC running, and y'all take it easy.